Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today let's learn about the white space collapsing in HTML. Here we can see that we have texts in different paragraphs, but when we save here and show them in the browser, all the texts appear as one. This is because the white spaces are ignored in HTML. So we have to use here tags such as h1 tag, p tag, br tag, etc. to show up the spaces and lines. Let's add here h2 tag. Next, let's add some p tags. Now the browser shows the texts in different paragraphs. When we have two or more spaces, the extra spaces are ignored in HTML, and even if some lines break up, it treats as a single line. This is called white space collapsing. That's it guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.